What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, like I told y'all before, every other video I've been dropping, please be aware of the fake King Hussle pages. It's a lot of fake IGs, Telegrams, YouTubes, you name it out there. And a lot of people still getting scammed by these people. I don't know how. So listen, my IG is not King Hussle on YouTube. That's not my name on IG. So if you're talking to any King Hussle on YouTube page, that's not me. I don't got 60,000 or 50,000 followers on IG, 29,000 followers. My backup page is not King Hussle Backup. All my links on my main page, on my main IG, King Hussle X1M, are mentioned in my bio. So Hustle Nation, the real backup, the real King Hussle X1M, all that is in my bio. So you talking to a King Hussle page without no pages in the bio, that's not me. You talking to a Telegram with name King Hussle or Hustle Nation anything, that's not me. If you commented on my videos on YouTube and at the bottom once you comment under your comment, Telegram King Hussle X1 comment, that's not me. The Tel and Telegram spelled a little weird, that's not me. And just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody that you believe is King Hussle, just to make sure you see this face before you send your money so you won't get scammed. I don't accept Bitcoin, so if anybody talking to y'all saying they me and they talking about some sending it through Bitcoin, that's not me. So that's a lot of red flags that y'all should be aware of. So just keep your eyes up and be aware, be smart, and don't be so thirsty. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So another video, another dollar. Yes, another video, another dollar. Just like another day, another dollar. A lot of people out there still need money, still need ways to figure out how to build their business. People still need money to live their life. That's what it's all here for. So today I'm going to be talking about grants. Yes, grants. Free money, not loans that you got to pay back, but money that's given to you, rewarded to you. And today I'm going to be talking about the FedEx grant. And that will be dropping from January 31st to February 21st. You got almost a whole month to apply for this $30,000 grant for small businesses. So I'm gonna give y'all the place to go. I'm gonna show y'all what you need to apply, and hopefully some of you guys can have the opportunity to get $30,000 or whatever the constellation prizes is, because they got constellation prizes too. So it's just not all about the $30,000. There's other things that you could be winning also. So make sure you guys are really watching the video in full. Make sure you guys are paying attention. Make sure you guys are listening and watching, because without that, hearing the information, you're not going to learn the information. And like I said, a lot of people take the information that I speak about in different videos, put it to one, and they start making a lot of different money. So let's get into this $30,000 FedEx grant that you can be attaining that opens up January 31st. Let's get into it. All right, so FedEx.com/ENS Small Business Grant Contest. The FedEx Small Business Grant Contest entry period opens January 31st. All right, so get ready for a chance to win $30,000 for your business. You've been all in for your business since day one. You're always learning, always hustling, always striving for more. With the help of from FedEx, you can go all out, drive for your small business even further with a chance to win $30,000 from the FedEx Small Business Contest. 10 winners, $30,000 grand prize. 10 grand prize winners will each receive $30,000 plus $1,000 print credit at FedEx office, access to FedEx Premier customer service, sustainable packaging and constellation, digital sales constellation, 20% off SEO monthly plan with higher visibility, mentor matching with entrepreneurs organization, and much more. Plus, one U.S. veteran winner of the 10 grand prize winners will get an additional $20,000 from the USAA Small Business Insurance. All right, so people's choice voting. The top qualifying businesses that receive the most likes on their profile each day during the People's Choice voting phase is eligible to win a $1,000 cash gift card. Entry period: January 31st to February 21st. People's Choice voting: February 24th, 27th to March 28th. Top 100 announced April 12th. Winners announced May 11th. How to enter and vote. There's no, there's no other businesses like yours. Get ready to share all the details about what sets your business apart from the competition and why you deserve to be one of the top grand prize winners. Just follow these steps. So create a FedEx account. So it tells you to enter the contest. You will need a FedEx account. If you don't have one, you can create a new one now. Start thinking about a short company bio. Be prepared to tell us about your business, the importance of your shipping needs, and what sets you apart from other competitors. Upload your company logo photos. Gather a logo in horizontally high quality images no larger than 7 megabytes. The best represent your business. Develop an idea for a video. That's 4. You will have the option to create 2-minute pitch style video about your business, like Shark Tank, basically. Be authentic and show us the things that make your business unique. Review the simple entry. Give us a good overview of what contest entry entails. Get ready for People's Choice voting. Share your entry with your community during the People's Choice voting period and encourage them to like your entry. The qualified business that most likes with the most likes each day wins a $1,000 gift card, and a new winner will be chosen each day. An entrant can only win one People's Choice Award. So, meet FedEx Small Business Grant Contest winners. These are some people who won over the past years. Earn while you ship. Get new FedEx Cares, Ship, Save, Repeat. Small Business Grants Contest 2023 facts. What is a small business grant contest? What are the contest dates? The 2023 contest will begin accepting entries on January 31st, 2023. Entries must be received by February 21st, 2023. This page will be updated as additional details are finalized. So get y'all business plans together, get y'all information together, get everything that you need together, because it's about to be time to win some free money. How can I be notified about contest returns? I was contacted on social media from someone claiming to be from FedEx, telling me I want a grant. They requested money to receive the grant. Is this a scam? Of course. Eligibility requirements. Who may apply for the FedEx Small Business Grant Contest? Do I need to have FedEx account number to enter the contest? Is shipping for my business a requirement to enter the contest? Do I need to be shipping with FedEx to enter the contest? Is a nonprofit eligible for the contest? Are they? Nope. Are shipping companies, logistics companies, delivery companies, FedEx authorized ship centers, commercial printers, and other competitive related business eligible for the enter the contest? Are previous grant winners involved in other businesses eligible for entry? Are previous finalists in the FedEx grant contest eligible to enter? Yes, finalists are eligible to enter again as long as they are not previously selected as a winner. Are FedEx Entrepreneur Advisory Board members eligible to enter? Are franchise, direct seller, independent consultant, pyramid marketing businesses models, or car service eligible to enter? So prize information. What are the grants for the 2023 contest? Are the grants or a loan? No. What if my question isn't answered here? So basically, it answers everything that you need to know. That's the website, FedEx.com, ENS Small Business Grant Contest. The FedEx Small Business Grant Contest entry period opens January 31st, so get ready. 4 days, 15 hours, 42 minutes, 8 seconds. The countdown is real. So let's talk about it. $30,000 small business grant from FedEx. So let's talk about it. FedEx is giving away $30,000. Yes, giving away $30,000. Not loaning you $30,000, but giving away $30,000. And all you gotta do to enter the contest is those simple requirements. Yes, those simple requirements is all you need. They're just not gonna give you the money. Why should they give you the money? That's how anything in life works. Why should they give you the money? So That's when you got to put in the work and letting them know why your business should win the $30,000, why shipping is required in your business everyday plan. So you might have a clothing line where you got to ship out clothes and hoodies and t-shirts, all that. You might got a hairline, you got to ship out hair products, or you might got to ship out a lot of different things. So it's a lot of different reasons why a company will need shipping in their business. So just get your pitch together, make a little small video like you on Shark Tank, get professional, make sure you're letting them know everything about your business, how this $30,000 could help your business grow, how shipping is needed in your business. Make sure you got your business structured the right way. Like I said, LLC, EIN number, Dun and Bradstreet number, UEI number, business email, business address, business number, registered with the 401 National Directory, a website, and you should be good. You should be good to go. So even if you just started up your business, it doesn't matter. As long as you got everything together, you should be A-okay. So everybody out there, we're going to be dropping more videos. I'm going to be dropping more videos about grants. I'm going to be dropping more videos on small business loans and grants and lines of credit and credit cards, because like I told you in previous videos, it's easier to get a business loan than it is to get a personal loan. You can get a business loan way faster than a personal loan with bad credit. So you can start you an LLC today, get your EIN number, get everything together in a week, and by next week or the week after that, the beginning of the week, you could be getting a small business loan, grant, credit card, any of that. So make sure you get your business together. Make sure you get your business accounts and checking and savings. Get all that together before you start trying to apply for these loans and grants and credit cards and lines of credit, because they check that. And don't want to hear nobody saying, oh, I didn't get approved. Well, of course you're not going to get approved, because you don't have everything you need to get approved. You don't got your business together from personal to business. So anybody out there watching these videos trying to get approved for these loans, I'm going to say it, like I said it before, I'm going to say it again. Make sure you have your business together. Make sure you have bank accounts. Make sure you got checking and savings, business and personal. Make sure you got pay stubs, bank statements. Make sure you got all that W-2s, 1099 forms. And I showed you guys already where to go to make those forms if you're self-employed. And we just going to say self-employed because it sounds better. But y'all know what I'm saying. Handle y'all business. It's 2023. No one's going to give you $1 million. No one's going to say, hey, do this and you're going to get $1 million. No one's going to say, hey, work for me now, you're going to make $1 million. No, the only person that's going to pay you $1 million is yourself. So what are you going to do to make yourself $1 million plus? And it has to be passive. You're not going to make money, $1 million, just trying to do this and save $1 million. No, you got to make money passive. You got to invest in so many different things that you got money coming in so many different angles that is accumulating $1 million. Because like I told you, you get you 10 certified businesses or something or whatever that can profit $10,000 after your overhead each. That's $100,000 a month, which is $1.2 million a year. You do the math, you double up on that. Make it make sense. A lot of people out there complain about what they don't got, but they don't complain about what they could have, and they're not doing anything about it. So I'm going to be the guy to help you, show you what you could have. I'm going to be the person that help you and motivate you to get to a higher pyramid, to the higher level. I'm going to be the guy to show you, like, hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. We're not flashing money on this. We flashing assets. We're going to flash the things that money can buy, because like I said, when you flash that money, that's cool. That's all good. You got $30,000 that you flashing for pictures and motivational purposes only. But you can go down this way or you can go this way. And this way is what you're going to invest in. And this way is what are you going to buy that's going to depreciate and make you no money. So you're going to spend your money on something that's not going to make you some money, or you're going to spend your money on something that's going to make you money back, $30,000 back. Be smart. And that's what we're doing over here. We showing assets, businesses, investments, things like that, that's going to make us more money. Because once you grow old, when you get older and you start to realize how life is real and certain things don't matter and all that was just a waste of time and money, you're going to be like, man, that man was speaking a lot of good stuff. Because I'm trying to let y'all know right now, all those people out there is watching these videos and like, oh, life is real. Bills are real. Everything is real. You only got so much, X amount of time before no one wants to deal with you. No one wants you living in their basement. No one wants you driving their car. No one wants to deal with you. So now you got to fend for yourself. What are you going to do then? So just take that in consideration out there. It's your boy King Hussle, man. Make sure, hey, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep guiding y'all down the right path to being successful. Because like I said, I started from nothing. I made something out of nothing. I was sleeping in the car for 8 months. And I woke up and I said, you know what, let me get myself together. Let me really worry about what's really going on out here in life. And now I'm growing every day. I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but I know a little bit about a lot, a whole lot, because every day I'm willing to learn something new. And the more I learn, the more I can grow, and the more I can turn that into power, point blank period. So make sure y'all tap it in. Make sure y'all follow me on all my real social media platforms. Down at the bottom, the links in the description. I'm still looking for actors, models, cameraman, producers, content creators for the production company. Right now, limited jibs is $500. Don't miss out. And let's just win. Make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour in person. $3,500 in person, $4,500 out of state, $35 in state, $500 deposit. Y'all know how I get down. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next. Peace.